Hey friends, welcome back to Review Scout, where we cut through the noise and bring you reviews you can actually trust. Today's topic is one I'm genuinely excited about because it addresses a problem almost every creator, entrepreneur, or social media user has faced. You know the drill. You spend time writing that post, tweaking it, polishing it, and finally you hit publish. You think it's going to do well, maybe even take off. And then, crickets. A couple of likes from people you know, maybe a half-hearted comment from your cousin, and then silence. You refresh your feed, you read your post again, wondering if you missed something. The doubt creeps in, and you start questioning whether you're even cut out for this whole social media thing. The truth is, social media isn't broken, but it's tilted against you if you don't already have an audience. The algorithm doesn't hand out attention to the people who work the hardest. It hands it to the people who are already visible. That's why you can post daily, follow trends, copy the best hooks, and still see almost nothing in return. And that's where today's product completely flips the playbook. Instead of pushing you to post more and more, it shifts the focus to a totally different strategy, replying smarter. Not posting bigger, not grinding harder. Just learning to place the right replies in the right conversations at the right time. This is how BuzzRep came to life. The creator behind it realized that jumping into conversations that are already hot, posts that already have momentum, is the fastest way to be seen, followed, and remembered. By dropping a thoughtful, funny, insightful, or value-packed reply into those posts, you instantly borrow the audience that post has already attracted. People notice, click your profile, follow you, and in many cases, even start a direct conversation with you. You're not shouting into the void. You're joining a conversation that's already alive and thriving. But of course, doing that at scale is exhausting. You have to find the right threads. You have to think of something clever to say. You have to make sure it sounds like you, not a copy-paste bot. And you have to do it over and over again, consistently, if you want to see results. That's where most people burn out or give up entirely. BuzzRep solves that by being your AI-powered reply partner. It's a Chrome extension that analyzes a conversation you're jumping into and instantly crafts a reply that fits the tone, the context, and your personal style. You can choose from tones like friendly, expert, sarcastic, warm, or you can even create your own custom voice profile. You get the reply in seconds, tweak it if you want, and hit send. Done. It works on X, Facebook, and LinkedIn, three of the most powerful platforms for reply-driven growth. With BuzzRep, you can engage 10 times more in half the time without losing the authenticity that makes people connect with you in the first place. And you don't even need followers or a backlog of content to start. You can begin from zero and still get traction by simply showing up in the right places with the right words. BuzzRep gives you visibility without the grind of constant posting. It gives you speed without sacrificing quality. And most importantly, it gives you consistent engagement, the kind that compounds over time into a real, noticeable presence. When you pick up BuzzRep, you also get their Buzz Factor Strategy Guide. This isn't fluff. It's a practical playbook that walks you through how to use a reply-first approach to grow fast, the 5 reply styles that instantly make people pay attention, and a 20-minute daily ritual that keeps your momentum going without burning you out. You also get platform-specific tips so you can adapt your replies for X, Facebook, and LinkedIn. That means you're not just getting a tool, you're getting the strategy that makes the tool actually work. The pricing right now is a lifetime deal for $27. That's not per month. It's not a trial. It's one payment for lifetime access. Normally, it's $197. So you're saving 86%, but the catch is it's a limited early access offer. Once they reach their capacity, the price goes up and the lifetime option disappears. For less than the cost of takeout, you can have a permanent edge in the game of social media growth. And honestly, it's not just about numbers. BuzzRep helps you protect your energy. That pressure of, I should be replying right now, fades away because the hardest part, figuring out what to say is handled, you can actually enjoy engaging again. This is what growth looks like in today's attention economy. It's not about producing more and more content, hoping something sticks. It's about being seen in the right places at the right times in the right way. BuzzRep lets you do that with confidence and without burning out. So if you've been feeling stuck, invisible, or just tired doing everything the right way and still getting nowhere, this could be the turning point. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can check out BuzzRep and grab the lifetime deal while it's still live. That wraps up today's review here on the Review Scout. Remember, success on social media isn't just about posting. It's about connecting. And with BuzzRep, you can do that smarter, faster, and better than ever. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.